My home is not a highway, a straight road to follow, on well-known lone pavements I roam through wide open space with no maps or foot tracks, no turn backs. I'm in deep. I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wandering.
While I've been able to embark on some epic adventures throughout my life, at the end of the day, I was still left empty, with no one to share it with. My fear has always been that in saying yes to one person, these adventures would soon end. If I committed to someone or something fully, my freedom would be taken. But maybe, through sacrifice and devotion, new and deeper adventures would begin. It was time to start living for something bigger than myself, for someone else, to build a future, a home.
I'm still out here and I'm still moving along, still wandering. I'm still alive, I'm still keeping on, still wandering. I am not lost, I'm still just wondering where I go. I am not certain.
I no longer fear commitment. In committing to one project, one craft, one person, I have found deep purpose, mission, and ultimately, freedom.
I am not certain.
Deep peace remains as I have strong foundations of faith, family, and support that hold me steady during the storms that may come. A growing family at that, who loves me through and through. The greatest adventure was in front of me the whole time.
And if this is being lost, then may I never be found.
For it is in committing to one thing, to one person, that true freedom is found.
I'm still